Hi everybody, this is Heidi, and this quick tutorial is how to scale your strokes and effects in conjunction with scaling your object. So you might have had something like this happen before. You've drawn your garment at a scale that's either larger or smaller than you ultimately need it to be for whatever reason. So once you take it and you say, okay, now I need it to be quite a bit smaller, so I'm going to hold shift to maintain my proportions, and now it's as big as I need it. But when we zoom in, we notice that our strokes are huge. This is for our zipper, since the stroke weight was applied to that, as well as the outline and all the stitching. This is probably not what we wanted to do, so I'm going to undo that, Command or Control Z. And we can control this two ways. One is on the toolbar, you'll notice there's a scale tool. Double click on that. Inside of that, you'll notice you've got options. We want to turn on scale, strokes, and effects. So once we hit OK, now we come in here and we scale this down and we zoom in, and our strokes are the same size in proportion to whatever size our sketch is. So the thickness will maintain. Now, you might not want to do this because let's say you're designing some artwork and you know all of the strokes and lines need to be exactly 1 point. So in that instance, you would want to turn scale, strokes, and effects off so that your strokes, even when you make your artwork bigger or smaller, all maintain their 1 point size. The effects that this would scale are things such as drop shadow or an outer glow. So if you've got a drop shadow of a certain size and you make your artwork smaller, then the drop shadow size will scale according to the artwork. The other way you can control this is you right click, transform, scale, or object, transform, scale. Inside of there, you've got the same options that came up when you double clicked on the scale tool from your toolbar. So again, you can turn that on and off. This is a checkbox that will catch. So each time you start or open a new document, it will remember however you had it set the last time you were using this setting. So it's something you probably have to go back and change as you need it to scale or not to scale. So I hope that helped you save some time when you're trying to maintain your stroke size or have it scale in proportion with your artwork. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.